What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can change the profile picture on Monopoly Go game. Okay, this is very quick and easy. What you need to do, guys, first is you need a Facebook account in order to change your Monopoly Go profile picture. Like, this is very important, guys. In order to change the profile picture on Monopoly Go, there is no other way than having a Facebook account, because you can change it without a Facebook account. Why I'm saying this is because when you link your own Facebook account, or when you connect it to Monopoly Go, then Monopoly Go is going to take the picture, your own Facebook profile picture, and you will set it like as your own profile picture on Monopoly Go. It's going to have the same profile picture after you connect your Monopoly Go game to Facebook. Now, to connect it, guys, you need to click on these three little dots or three little lines in the top right of the game. You will see three little lines. Click on them and you will see there connect. You will see a blue box that says here connect Facebook or whatever, and you want to click on that box. It's not allowing me because I am using Facebook like the desktop version. So but on your phone, on your iPhone or Android, if you click on these three little lines, you will find there connect. You need to click on that and you need to add there your password and give the permission to Facebook to so that you can connect it. You just need to click on confirm, stuff like that, and after you connect it, now your profile picture is going to change to the one that you have on your Facebook. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like and subscribe, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.